enjoy learning, because that's what this program's really about. It's about learning how to operate and how to be in the industry. I have learned how to not only fly drones, but I've learned to maintain drones. I've learned to actually open them up and figure out how they work. I've even built a drone in the program.
This program has taught me to think critically both inside and outside the classroom. There's always going to be problems when it comes to anything drones, maritime, or ground systems. There's always going to be issues that we need to figure out if it's the system or the environment in which the system is operating. So it is very helpful to be in a program with people and a professor that pushes you to think outside of the box and find a solution for every problem that might arise.
Learning something in such a small field that no one really knows about yet, and just at the time where everything's booming, think of construction in Dade City area. All the construction going on needs land surveyors, we need thermal. But we did get to go over and see the new innovation building where we're going to have our drone headquarters, which is really amazing. It reminded me of the time that we got to do a flyover with our LiDAR system, and we got to land survey the entire area.
LiDAR, what it is basically it's a laser, it's like a camera that shoots out lasers, and then it takes that information and it makes an entire digital map of whatever it was looking at. What LiDAR does with that information is once it makes a 3D map of something, you can take measurements of it just through the computer. So if there's a spot where you want to know how tall something is, or say it's a roof, and you want to know a section of the roof, how long it is, you don't have to get up there and measure it. You have the LiDAR information already, and you can just do it from there, and you'll get your specs. It'll be accurate within points of the centimeter.
Now I get to play in a role in an upcoming industry and know that I will never be without a job, and I will always enjoy what I'm doing.
So something that I've actually used as a life motto is, why wait till tomorrow when you could do it today? Because tomorrow is not promised. And that's one of the things that I love about this program is we are living in tomorrow.